Hi, I'm Dr. Kamado, and this is
Amit Rajpara.
and we actually work for Epic Medical Research, and currently right now we are enrolling patients who are currently positive with COVID-19, as well as those that actually got exposed to the people who has COVID-19. Our research is actually sponsored by Regeneron Pharmaceuticals. And the premise of our research is monoclonal antibodies for those that are positive with COVID-19, as well as those that are exposed with COVID-19. So this is just a little bit of what our laboratory looks like. This is the PCR machine that we use in regards to diagnosing someone with COVID-19. So it's very easy. We just do a nasopharyngeal swab on someone. It takes about 48 minutes to run the results. And from that on, then we can enroll someone if they do test positive with COVID-19.
So there's like two study going on at this moment. One with the patient who are actually COVID positive, and one the people who are living with the household member, parents, kids, siblings. So there's two study going on. One which is the COVID-19 positive patient is like 28 days, and the other one is for 6 months. They have total of 13 visits, Joseph?
They have about a total of about 12 visits.
12 visits.
12 to 13 visits for the study that is the positive COVID. That's about 12 visits overall within a span of 29 days. And for those that are exposed with COVID, that will be a span. It's a total also of 12 visits. It's a span of 6 months.
So we are right here in Red Oak, Texas, right on 35 and Ovilla Road. Very convenient location. This is, I think, one of the location DFW Metroplex that do some study from Regeneron regarding the COVID. This is there was three company who was manufacturing or they're researching this monoclonal antibody. Eli Lilly, Johnson & Johnson, and Regeneron. Those two fall out because of side effect on it, and this is the only one. It keep going. We have almost 80 patients.
We have, as of today, we have a total of 86 patients.
86 patients.
And so far, everybody's doing really well, and no one went to the hospital. And a couple of the patients already finished the study, and so far, everyone has been doing good. And we've had really good results with all of our patient population. So, if you are interested, we are here again at Red Oak, Texas. Our phone number is 972-777-6956.
And this is on 106 Plaza Drive, right on Ovilla and 35. Very convenient locations. And anybody who are exposed, I would encourage anybody, even my family member, if I or myself or anybody in my family who got these things going on, and I would definitely recommend them to enroll in this study, because we have seen all these 86 patients. No major side effect. Only I think itching is the one
It's
we
just
see
going
most.
to
Only
be
the
itching.
tide. Okay, so there's two things. One, we're gonna do the COVID patients is IV infusion, and the COVID positive patients, there's like 30 minutes IV infusion, and the people who are exposed is subcutaneous injections, and those are the local itching issue, not the generalized itching issue. It means whenever we give the injection, you have the itching for certain times, and after that, and it's not seen to all patients. Some patients only,
No, it's
right?
a very few patients, probably more or less. Like, I can count my fingers on it, maybe 3 or 4 patients that actually.
So
get the local
and
reaction.
so far we haven't seen any patient got hospitalized. Not they're getting better, not worse. We have patients from MS. They have some comorbidity. They are the patient with the diabetic, cholesterol, sugar patients. We have all kind of patients. We enroll in the study, and so far the results is fantastic. And I would say this is the opportunity for DFW area people. This is the only thing. By the President Trump took this medication as well too. So that's put us on the market, like focus on market, and allow everybody after that news come out on. And also we Channel 4 come here and future after they know that who was doing in study. I think we are the only one in DFW Metroplex who are conducting this study right now. So if you are or loved one who have this crisis or who are going through this crisis, I would definitely encourage them to please call us. Our number is 972-777-6956, and it's 106 Plaza Drive, right on 35 in Ovilla, Red Oak, Texas.
All right,
Yeah.
that's pretty much how it is.
If you have any question, call us anytime, and we really
We
thankful.
are open, yeah,
Yes.
and we are open every day, including weekends, and we are open from 8 o'clock to 5 o'clock. But our hours are very flexible, so we're open 7 days a week.
Sometimes we're here till like 10 o'clock at night time trying to finish it up the work, and so we just want to dedicate our time, opportunity that we got it, to help our community to see if we can give them better results or they can get better after. This is the only medication so far has been proven who are doing much more for the patients and who are helping patients to get better.
So right now, we're actually gonna demonstrate on how we actually run the PCR machine.
Yes.
If that's something that we can just show on how easy it is and how fast it is that we do the testing.
So we got the patients here. I think you're gonna go do the swab and come back, and then we'll show you how these things works.
Alright, so this is our Gene Expert CFN machine. This is our PCR on how we do our COVID testing. So I actually just swabbed a patient. Alright, so I'm going to insert this solution up into our Express SARS-CoV-2 in order to run the test. The test takes about 45 minutes. Usually if one of the subjects or patients positive, it spits out within like 20 to 30 minutes. So you just drop it in here. I'm going to close this, so I'm going to push new test. Enter the sample number. I'm going to scan the barcode. And then it's going to give you a video on how to load the test. I already know how to load the test, so I'm going to press continue. And then it's going to light up on which one it wants me to insert the test in. So you just insert and you close it, and then it begins the test. Like I said, the test takes about 45 minutes to run.
Thank you.